How to run Facebook ads for clothing brand. Running Facebook ads for a clothing brand is one of the best ways to attract customers, increase sales, and build a recognizable brand. With over 3 billion monthly users, Facebook and Instagram provide a huge audience to promote your fashion products. However, competition is tough, so you need your ads to be stand out and be well targeted and convert efficiently. Now in this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about on how you can run high converting Facebook ads for a clothing brand, including setting up your campaign, target the right audience, and optimizing your ads for maximum sale. Now before we head over into our guide, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now first things first, let's go ahead and talk about understanding Facebook ads for clothing brand. Now unlike other industries, fashion and apparel require visual appealing ads. People just don't buy clothes, they buy a lifestyle, identity, and trends. This means that your ads need to go ahead and use high quality visuals and videos to showcase your products, tell a brand story rather than just selling a product. You want to target the right audience based on interest, behaviors, and past purchases. Now as a tip, Facebook and Instagram ads works well for clothing brands because fashion is a highly visual industry, making it perfect for social media marketing. Now, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can set up Facebook ads as an ad account. Now, before launching your campaign, you have to make sure that you have a Facebook business page for your clothing brand, a Facebook business manager account, an ad account to set up inside your business manager, Facebook pixel installed to your Shopify or e-commerce store. Now to set up your Facebook pixel, it's extremely simple. You can just go ahead and head over to the events manager on the business manager, click on the add new data source, click Facebook pixel, and from there you can basically copy the pixel ID and paste it into your Shopify store, or you can manually install it. Now, why pixel matters? The Facebook pixel tracks visitors on your website and allows you to retarget them with ads with significantly increased sale. And so let's go ahead and start by heading over to our ad manager right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and make sure that you choose the right Facebook ad campaign objective. Click on the create button, and inside we have the campaign objectives. Now in Facebook Ads Manager, once again, click on create to start a new campaign. You will then be asked about our objectives. For a clothing brand, the best options are going to be sales. It's for conversions. If you want people to buy directly from your store, you can then go ahead and choose traffic if you want to send visitors to your website. You then want to choose engagement if you want more likes, shares, or comment. And lastly, for brand awareness. If you're new to clothing brand and trying to gain visibility, brand awareness is going to be a good choice for you. Now, the best choice for sales is to go ahead and use conversions to optimize for purchases. So let's go ahead and select that option right here. Basically, we can also go ahead and use the right audience for our clothing brand. Facebook allows you to target highly specific audience for your ads. Here's how we can go ahead and do that. Now for the interest-based targeting, target people based on fashion-related interests such as fashion, clothing, apparel, streetwear, luxury brands, specific brands like Adidas, Nike, Zara, H&M, and more. And we have the online shopping habits, which is for frequent buyers, and sustainable or eco-friendly fashion if applicable. Now we can go ahead and retarget past visitors. To do this, you can just navigate through your ad manager once more. Inside, you want to navigate through the audience button. And from here, we can then go ahead and choose the custom audience. Now, what is a custom audience? Basically, we can go ahead and set this up to a lot of different ways. Basically, we have the custom audience and the lookalike audience. If you click on the custom audience right here, we can then connect with people who already show an interest in our business or product. So let's go ahead and say that you have a Shopify store. We can then select the website right here. So people who already visited your store will be targeted on the custom audience right here. click on the next button. Right after that, you then have to select your website. In my case, since I've already put my website, it's not going to show up right here. But in your case, you then want to put your Shopify store. Inside, we then have the source, the pixel or the events, the audience retention, the audience name, and description. Now in here, you then want to once again set up your pixel. You can do this by manually installing it on your Shopify store. We then have the events right here. You can target it for all website visitors or people who visited specific web pages. This includes people who visited specific websites or web pages. Now in my case, I'm going to select all website visitors. From there, we can then go ahead and customize the name of the audience the way we want to. And lastly, we have the description. Click on create audience and you should be good to go. Now talking about the other option, which is the lookalike audience. This is basically best for finding new customers. Once you have customers, you can create lookalike audience to find similar buyers. Now in here, you can then go ahead and select your customer list or website visitor as a source. Once again, you then want to set your audience size for 1%, which is highly similar, or 5 to 10%, which is broader. Facebook will now find new potential buyers similar to or past customers. Now, as a tip on how you can create high converting Facebook ads for your clothing brand. Now, your ad creatives is really important as it is the most important part of the campaign. You want to go ahead and use high quality lifestyle images. Now you want to show models wearing your clothes in real life situations. You then want to try video shorts. 10 to 15 second video ads showcasing the outfit in motion is really useful. From there, we can then try the carousel ads. Display multiple products in one ad. And from there, we then have the collection ads. You want to let people shop directly from your ad. Now as a pro tip, video often performs better than static images because they show the fabric, fit, and movement of the clothing. Now, how can you write an engaging ad copy? Your text should be short, clear, and persuasive. Here's a simple format to follow. Now, for the attention-grabbing hook, you want to put something like upgrade your wardrobe with our latest collection. For highlight product benefits, you want to try premium quality, stylish design, and super comfortable. And for CTA or call to action, you want to put something like shop now and get 20% off your first order. Now you want to use urgency tactics like limited stocks available to increase your conversions. And so, running Facebook ads for a clothing brand requires great visual, strong targeting, and continuous optimization. By using high-quality creatives, retargeting past visitors, and scaling lookalike audience, you can basically increase your sales while keeping your ad cost low. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what type of clothing brand you're running. Now, as always, thanks for watching.